Today, we use a GN handheld static meter.
Let's test the power dissipation performance of our ion air shower.
And ion balance. First, we need to go through the access control. Purification opens through access control.
Please stand in the sensing area.
Then we open.
Please turn the body 364, our electrostatic meter.
The first is a positive decay. Start testing. We can see the value of positive decay is at 0.4 seconds. The power dissipation performance is very good. Next, we test the negative attenuation performance. Start testing. We can see negative decay. The time is 0.5 seconds. The power dissipation performance is very good. Next, we test the ion balance. Start testing. You can see the ion balance is stable within plus or minus 10 volts. It turns out that the ion balance works really well.
Please exit through the back door after blowing the bell.